Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can use the templates in MS Word. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the MS Word. So let's start. We have to write the win word here, then press the OK. So as you can see, the MS Word is open. Now what we need to do for using the template option, you must have the internet connection. So what we have to do, as you can see, some templates are provided here. If you need more, then you have to click on the more template. And after clicking on the more template, you have to write the template what you are looking for. For example, I want the certificate. So let's write the certificate. And now we have to press the enter. And after that, we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see here, the certificates. For example, if you want to use this one, then you have to click on this, or if you want to use this one or whatever you want. For example, I want this one, so we have to click on this, and now we have to click on the create. And now let's click on the create, and now we have to wait for a few seconds. So now delete this one. Now after that, as you can see, the certificate is here. Now if you want to make the changes, you can also do that. Here's the name. For example, I'm going to write the name here, and now you can also change the name in this way. If you want to change this description, you can also do that. These are the shapes, and you can make changes in all and each and everything. So in this way, you can take a template from the MS Word and you can use it as per your need. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download the template from MS Word and use it. So see you guys in the next video.